In this video tutorial, we shall learn some important but easy functions. They are left, right, mid, find, and len functions. Let's start with the left function. Here is the syntax of left function. Left function takes two arguments, text and number of characters. Left function extracts one or more characters from a text from the leftmost position of a text. How many characters will be extracted depends on the numchars argument. Let's use the left function in some examples. Select the first cell under the left column, input equal sign, type left, opening bracket. I select the first cell in the full name column as the text argument. You see, numchars is in square bracket, so this argument is optional. If you don't use the numchars argument, then the left function will return the first character of the text argument. I press return. You see, the function returns the character j. Let's now use the left function for the next name. Again equal sign, type left, opening bracket, select full name as text argument. This time I want to extract the first 7 characters from this name. So I put comma and type 7. Press return. You see total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters are extracted. Remember that space is also a character. Okay, for the next cell I input equal sign, left function, opening bracket, select Warren Buffett as text argument, press comma. This time I type 100. Though I know that the text Warren Buffett does not have 100 characters. When you will enter number of characters higher than the characters in the text, then the left function will return the whole text. It will not show any error. I press return. You see, the whole text is returned. This is how you can use the left function. Right function also works in the same way. Difference is, right function returns characters from the rightmost position of the text. The syntax of the right function is same. Select the first cell in the right column, place equal sign, type right, opening bracket, select John Paulson as text argument. I input nothing as the numchars argument, just press return. The last character n is extracted. In the next cell, I input again equal sign, type right, opening bracket, select Bill Gates as the text argument, comma. This time I enter 7 as numchars argument, press return. You see, the cell is displaying 7 characters from the right side of the text. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters. In the next cell, I again place equal sign, type right, opening bracket, select now Warren Buffett text, comma, I type 100. I am passing more characters than the text has, so the whole text will be returned. Press return. You see, the whole Warren Buffett text is showing in the cell. Mid function also returns characters. Mid function can extract characters from any position in a text. Here is the syntax of the mid function. It takes 3 arguments. First one is text, then start number, and then numchars. For the mid function, all these 3 arguments are required. Select the first cell in the mid column. For example, I want to extract these 3 characters P, A, U from this text. The position of P is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I make the formula as input equal sign, type mid, opening bracket, text argument is John Paulson, input comma. As start number, I type 6 as the position of P is 6. I want to extract 3 characters, so I type 3 as number of characters argument. Press return. You see, the characters P, A, U are returned. In this way, you can use the mid function to find out any characters from any position in a text. I copy the formula for other cells in the column. In every cell, the formula extracts the 3 characters from position 6 in the text. The next function is the find function. The syntax of the find function is here. Find function will return the position of a text within another text. Find function takes 3 arguments. Find text. It is the text that you will search for within another text. Within text is the mother text where you will search for the find text argument. And if you use the start number argument, then searching will start from that specific position. Let's use the function in an example. In the first cell of the find column, I input equal sign, type find, opening bracket, I place a character within double quotation marks. So I want to find text A, then input comma. The text where I shall find text A is John Paulson. So I select the John Paulson text. I am not using here the start number argument. So searching will occur from the start of the text. I press return. Find function returns the position of the character A in the text. The position of A is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh position. Just double click on the fill handle tool. The formula will be copied to other cells in the column. You see, this cell shows an error as this cell does not have any A. The last cell has 2 A's. In this case, the position of the first A is showing. The cell that contains Marisa has 3 spaces before the Marisa text. That is, spaces are counted as characters. So the result for Marisa is 5. Find function is case sensitive. See this result. Anil Ambani has 3A, 2 capital A and 1 small a. Small a's position is 9. Find function is showing result 9, not 1. So it is not taking the capital A. So this is how you can work with the find function. LEN function is used to find out the total characters of a text. Syntax of the LEN function is very simple. It just takes one argument, the text argument. Input equals sign, type LEN, opening bracket, select the John Paulson text, press return. You see the total number of characters in the John Paulson text is 12. Copy and paste the formula for other cells in the column. The number of characters in the cells are showing. The last cell Marisa has 10 characters, though it might seem to you that Marisa has 7 characters, but it has 3 space characters, so total 10 characters. It might seem to you that the functions are simple and straightforward. These functions becomes powerful when they are used in combination with other Excel functions, so remember these functions very well. These are the key takeaways from this lecture. You will get the downloadable copy of it with the exercise files and also in the lecture resources window. This summary will help you to grab the overall discussion of the video, print it or use it in your own way.